guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chris here again. We're keeping up with Chris, and today I'm doing another unboxing, y'all. Don't be mad at me because I know I'm not supposed to be shopping, but sometimes when you see something that you really like, especially if it's something that's gonna be like a staple in your wardrobe, you just kind of got to get it. So that's what we're doing today. So this is gonna be a quick one. I just want to show y'all what I got so that y'all can decide on whether or not y'all like it too, or y'all can get something similar. You know, just let me know your thoughts. So I got a crossbody from YSL that I am literally in love with. Literally in love. And I got this on a whim one day, so that also just makes me so much more in love with it because it wasn't something that I went searching for. It kind of came to me. So let's discuss. So let me pull this camera down so y'all can really see. You know, y'all can see me a little bit, but I really want y'all to see this bag. So here's the boxing. This is how it came, and this is the dust bag that came with it. So I got all my little papers. I actually haven't opened this yet, but y'all, I done wore this bag already, okay? Because it's so convenient. Okay, that was all on me, but it's so convenient. So I don't know, I just didn't really know that I needed a black leather YSL crossbody. So you can adjust the straps here, and y'all, I have already worn this bag. So I've worn it around the waist already. I've also worn it like this. I've worn it like this. Like, it's so convenient, y'all. Like, and it's so soft. Let me show y'all what the inside looks like. So the hardware on this one is silver. I'm not sure if it comes with one with gold hardware. When I went in the store and looked at it, I don't even think I remember seeing black with gold hardware, but this is what it looks like on the inside. Here we go. So you have space for your cards here, so that's super convenient. And then you also have space for if you just need to put something in it. I think I thought I still had the little card in here that came with it. Just to put anything else in here. And then you have the whole entire inside just for gizmos and gadgets galore. Okay, I absolutely love it. So I've worn it before. Like I said, the zipper stays shut. It's so comfortable. I try not to overstuff it, but I actually have overstuffed it before, and before the zipper like busted, it just wouldn't zip. So I was very thankful for that because I would have been sick if it had busted. So I was like, nah, let me just take some of this stuff out. So I don't know if you can see, it's like little bits of, I think this is like deodorant or lotion or something right here that I had like got on it, because like I said, I have worn it before, but there's no scratches on it. It's like, it's very durable, y'all. Like, I absolutely love it. So let me just show you, because I'm really fond of this girl. Very fond. So I typically, like, wherever I have like the, now I can fix this a little bit. So wherever I have like where the zipper is, you literally are just crossing it over, and you can wear it this way. You can wear it like this. This is super cute. Like I said, you can wear it like this, like just like, oh, let me just run out like this, like a regular handbag. Or you can also put it around your waist. Like, she's really cute like this too. So this is one of my favorite bag purchases of the year. I actually haven't been buying any bags, like note to self, but yeah, this is what I got. So she retails at $10.50 flat. I think obviously with tax it's gonna be more, but yeah, I love this bag. It's like my favorite thing right now. I actually am glad that I'm filming this because I do need to put her back into the bag for a little bit. I need to let her rest for a sec and wear a different bag. But yeah, she's my fave right now. Let's put her back in her bag. She fits in there quite nicely. And back in her box, and away she goes. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. This box is so cute and chic. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.